Welcome to Speak Easy English. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
Today, we're going to talk about how to stay healthy. Can anyone tell me one way to be healthy?
We should eat fruits and vegetables.
Excellent. Yes, eating healthy foods is important. What else? Sarah.
We need to drink lots of water.
That's right. Water helps our bodies stay strong. And you? Ahmed, what can you do to be healthy?
We should exercise, like running or playing sports.
Perfect. Exercise helps keep our bodies fit.
So we eat well, drink water, and stay active.
Can you all do that?
Yes, Miss.
Wonderful. Now, can anyone tell me why sleep is important for our health?
Because it helps our body rest.
Exactly. When we sleep, our body gets to recover and grow. How many hours of sleep do you think we need?
Maybe 8 hours.
Yes, about 7 to 9 hours is perfect. Now, what about stress? Do you know how stress can affect us?
It makes us feel tired and sad.
That's right. Ahmed, too much stress is not good for our health. So, it's important to relax and do things we enjoy. Can anyone tell me how they relax?
I like to read books. I play with my friends. I listen to poems.
Those are all great ways to relax. Remember, staying healthy is about eating right, drinking water, exercising, sleeping well, and managing stress. Can you all try to do these things every day?
Yes, Miss.
Good. Let's stay healthy. Can anyone tell me what a balanced diet is?
It's when we eat the right amount of fruits, vegetables, and other foods.
Exactly. A balanced diet gives us the nutrition we need to stay healthy and strong. Does anyone know what posture means?
It's how we sit or stand.
Very good. Good posture helps prevent pain and keeps us comfortable when we sit or stand for a long time. So, remember, we need to exercise, eat healthy, drink water, sleep well, and manage our stress to stay fit and healthy. Can you all try to do these things every day? Reply in comment section.
Learn vocabulary. Hydrate. Meaning, having enough water in the body. Sentence, it's important to stay hydrated, especially on hot days. Exercise. Meaning, physical activity to improve health. Sentence, we should exercise every day to stay strong and healthy. Muscles. Meaning, the parts of the body that allow movement. Sentence, running helps build strong muscles in your legs. Fit. Meaning, in good physical shape or condition. Sentence, regular exercise keeps us fit and healthy. Recover. Meaning, to get better after being tired, sick, or stressed. Sentence, we need enough sleep to recover from a long day. Stress. Meaning, a feeling of worrying or pressure. Sentence, too much stress can make us feel tired and unhappy. Relax. Meaning, to rest and reduce stress. Sentence, reading a book is a great way to relax after school. Balanced diet. Meaning, eating the right amount of different foods for health. Sentence, A balanced diet includes fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Nutrition, meaning the process of getting the right food for health and growth. Sentence: good nutrition helps our body grow and stay strong. Posture, meaning the way someone holds their body while sitting or standing. Sentence: it's important to have good posture to avoid back pain.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.